That was cool. He flew down after one, missed him, and then another one jumped up in the door and he flew right up there and yanked him right out of it.
Boy, there was no messing around.
Wonder how long I can leave this up before the gist is given. Oh, yeah, I remember. You came out of the hole in the bell tower?
Yeah.
Well, he missed one, flew back, and pulled him out of the door.
It's like a pigeon vending machine.
That is so cool.
Okay, there's the hole in the bell tower.
Huh?
We'll go back to the pigeon. Where'd he go? Not the pigeon.
Scott and I were sitting there watching. Some pigeons came out of the hole. He flew down at one, missed